So for base, I'm gonna use this Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. I already moisturized my face because if I don't, it's gonna get all cracky because it's very cold here. This in the shade Fair. For foundation, I'm gonna use this Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I'm just gonna blend this out. Wow, grabe, it's so nice. Guys, kita nyo, it's super seamless. But it's very expensive though. Wow, grabe. This is my first time using this foundation. The shade match is insane. For concealer, I'm gonna use this Dior Forever Skin Concealer. A little bit goes a long way. So, ang mura lang nito ha. Magkano ko lang siya nabili? Konti-konti lang and then you just build it up. Kasi, minsan napapasobra ako. Peri-pera. So, for highlighter, for brows, just the Benefit Precisely My Brow. Just to use the matte shades. And then, for my inner corners, I'm gonna use this. But it's normal. Not gonna do any liner because I already have extensions. But for the lips, I'm just gonna use this Pillow Talk. So, a lot of people are asking about this. Ito yung ginamit ko dun sa video. So, this is the Fenty Beauty in the shade Pink Dragonfly.